Hi everyone, good morning. I want to take a few minutes to help you go over sampling techniques. There are two basic sampling techniques. One we call probability sampling, another we call non-probability sampling. The biggest difference and the most important difference between these two sampling is for probability sampling, the keyword is random. For non-probability sampling, the keyword is haphazard or convenient. Random is a very familiar word to many of us, so I want to explain a little bit about haphazard. Basically, it means you use a convenient sample. For example, if I want to know how widely students look at mathematical learning, I may choose randomly from the whole university. But another way is I just choose people who I know. That's if you simply choose people that you know, that is non-probability sampling, because it is not randomly select. As a result, haphazard or non-probability sampling will not leading to a sample that represent the whole university. So for probability sampling, I want to highlight the difference between stratified random sampling and cluster sampling. So for these two random sampling methods, they have some commonality. That is, they both divide the population into subgroups. For example, for stratified sampling, we divide our university into two groups based on the gender. Group 1, female. Group 2, male. So we select some students from group 1, then we select some students from group 2 to get the sample. That's we call stratified sampling. Remember, when you choose students from group 1, you will choose students randomly from group 1. If you only choose students that you know from group 1, or you choose students close to you, that is not stratified sampling. It is we call quarter sampling, because it's not randomly select. Another way that is choose the participants randomly, we call cluster sampling. For example, if we divide our university into 6 groups, instead you choose individual participants or individual students, you choose groups, randomly select 4 groups: group 1, group 3, group 5, group 6. Of course, you can choose others, but this group should be randomly select. Then all students in each select group will be asked their opinion about mathematical learning or something else. So that's the difference. If I summarize, for cluster sampling, you select groups. For stratified sampling, you select participants, individual participants from each group. That's the most important difference. Let me give you an example. So if we ask citizens about their opinion about something, so we divide the whole city into 100 blocks, then select 20 of the blocks to sample. In that case, what sampling skills we used? it's a cluster. It's because we select blocks, not the individual citizen. It is a probability sampling because we randomly select. So for the same example, if we select 20 people from each block, in that case it will not cluster. It is a stratified random sampling because we select individual citizens from each block. It is not a quarter sampling because we randomly select 20 people. If we select 20 people that we know very well, or we close to us something, that will be quarter sampling. It is not randomly select. It is not a simple random because simple random you will not divide the population into different subgroups. Thank you, and please let me know if you have any questions.